Okay, we're going to do our math lesson, and this lesson is about looking at numbers and counting out a group of objects to match. So for this lesson, you should have brought your number cards, a cup from home and those cotton balls from yesterday, and your sticks like this because we're going to use them during the lesson. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. All right. Lesson 14. All right, so in this lesson, you just need the number cards 1, 2, and 3, right? And so I want you to look at this picture and I want you to count how many leaves you see and then find the matching card and hold it up. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. So I see 3 leaves. I'm going to look at my number cards here because I only have these 3, and I'm going to pick which one says 3. This one. So I would hold that up. Let me go back. Okay, so let's look at the next one. You're going to count it. 1, 2, and then you're going to find the matching card. Hopefully you held up. Whoops, I didn't mean to do that. Hopefully you held up this one because this is the number 2. Let's go back. Okay, so now we're going to look at this one. So you're going to count it. 1, 2, 3. Then you're going to look for the card. Oh, it's this one. Okay. Let me go back to it. All right, now we're going to count them. 1, 2. So hopefully you're holding up this card. Okay, let's look at the next one. How many do you see? 1. Can you find the card that says 1? Hopefully you found this one. All right, we're going to do the on 5 we jive chant. So we're going to say 1, 2, tie my shoe. Pretend like you're tying your shoe. 3, 4, close the door. Act like you're closing the door. On 5, we jive, and you're supposed to shake your hips. So you move your fingers to 5 and then count to, and then you jive. So on 5, we jive. All right, so on this part, you're going to have your cup, and hopefully you brought your cotton balls from yesterday because we're going to pretend like those are ice cubes. So, and on the screen it's showing something else, but I have cotton balls in a cup. So I'm going to call out an order. So we're going to pretend like we're at a restaurant. Okay. So you have your cup. I'm going to call out an order, and that's how many ice cubes or cotton balls you're actually going to put in your cup. So if I said, I need an order a drink with this many ice cubes in it. So then you'd take your cotton balls and you'd put them in your cup and you'd count them out. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me do a couple more. So if I said I'm at the restaurant and I would like this many ice cubes in my drink, you would get your cotton balls out and you'd count them out. 1, 2, 2. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Can I have this many ice cubes in my drink? 1. Good. Okay, let's look back at our screen. Okay, so on this part, I told you to bring your sticks from yesterday, the little popsicle sticks. I am going to have you lay down the same number of sticks as you see. Okay, so hold on one second. So we'll start with, it's just different ways to do it. So we're going to count the fingers on this one and match it with our popsicle stick. So let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3. And you're just going to take your popsicle sticks and count them out. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 popsicle sticks. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Okay, so we're going to count how many dots we see here. 1, 2. So if I'm doing it with my popsicle sticks, I'm going to count out 1, 2. Okay, going back. Okay, how many fingers do you see sticking up here? 1. So you just need to get how many popsicle sticks? 1. Okay, same here. We're going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3. So you should be getting out 1, 2, 3 popsicle sticks. All right, and on this one, we're going to count the fingers. 1, 2. So then you're going to count out your popsicle sticks. 1, 2, because we're matching up our objects with that same amount. We're making them the same. Okay, this is a number. I'll make a group to match the number 2. I'll count and stop when I get to 2. 1, 2. Does this group match this number? Yes. Name this number. I'll make a group to match the number 3. I'll count and stop when I get to 3. Tell me when to stop. 1, 2, 3. Stop. Does the group match the number? Yes. Okay, name this number, everyone. I'll make a group to match the number 1. I'll count and stop when I get to 1. Tell me when to stop. 1. Stop. Does the group match the number? Yes, it does. Okay, so, all right, let me stop sharing there. Okay, I want to make a group of, let me show you a card here. I want to make a group of this many. How many ice cubes or cotton balls in our case would we put in this group? Let's see. I would have 1, 2, because that number right there, that number was 2. Okay, let's see. Who thinks they can ask a how many question about the fingers you see me holding up? What number matches my fingers? Let's see. Would it be this one? This one? Or this one? It would have been this one because that matches my fingers. 1, 2. So think about what tools you used to count today. You used some popsicle sticks. You used your fingers. You used cotton balls for ice cubes. Very good. So that is our lesson about making a group to match, or sorry, looking at a number and counting out a group of objects to match.